Flights are getting expensive, but what if I told you that AI can help you find hidden deals that most people will never see? We've been using AI tools like ChatGPT to save hundreds, sometimes even thousands on flights. And now, we're going to show you exactly how we do it with real prompts you can just copy and use today. Hey guys, and welcome back to another video. This is Doc and Bean, and today we are going to tell you about how we use AI prompts to find the best flight deals, right? So, wait, you loving AI so far?
It's all right.
He's the IT guy. I don't know why he don't like AI. It's okay. It's okay. But it could be a pretty useful tool, right? To me, it's like a game changer to find cheap flights, to find exactly what you want, especially when it comes to prompting. You could be so specific and exactly what you want, right?
Specifically the chat boxes.
The chat boxes.
The GPTs.
Yes.
And ChatGPT is a brand name.
Right. And that's what we use. But you can use Gemini, and I forgot the other one that's also out there, right? But
there's a few of them.
Yeah, there's a few of them. But once we use this, we also, we'll give you the prompts. All you have to do is copy and paste it, right? Make it super simple, because a lot of times the prompt have to be pretty extensive to be accurate. To be accurate and get exactly what you want. You tell it what you want with one single prompt most of the times, instead of having to ask Google 3 and 4 things, right?
Right.
And then we pair it with different tools that we use, right? Like Google Flights or Skyscanner. Because one thing with AI, once you search the prompts, you also have to verify. So we usually use Skyscanner, but Expedia is a good one we use. We always book through Expedia because I like their customer service as well. And we have an affiliate link. We'll link below. It helps support the channel, and it's no extra cost to you. But let's get into some prompts, right?
Okay. The prompts that work. Okay, we're going to start with first prompt. First prompt, the best cheap flight search.
Yeah, so you want to find the cheapest flight out there, right? So you go to ChatGPT and you type in, find the cheapest round trip flights. Let's say we're going from Atlanta to Bangkok in September 2025. Include flexible dates, 2 to 3 days before or after, right? Nearby airports, alternative departure airports within 300 miles. And for each option, provide me the total price, total travel time, the number and the length of layovers, airline reliability, aircraft type, seat and comfort rating, if available. Prioritize these routes, these flight routes, and avoid risky connections under an hour. Highlight 3 to 5 best value options, right? So you copy. Now I know that was
that's a long prompt.
That's a mouthful.
That's kind of what you need to do. So copy and paste that.
Yep. So this is where we come in. We give you the prompt. All you got to do is copy it and put it in your chat box. So we head over. We paste it in. And then we wait for ChatGPT to do its thing, right? And it usually just spits out Yep, and then it spits out, here are the top 3 to 5 value round trip flight options from the city of your choice, right? And it'll break down the flight. If it's the best overall value, they'll number it on what's the best overall value. They give you the price, the dates, the travel time, right? If there's any layovers, how long the layovers are, if the seat comfortability. So everything you put in there it'll spit out for you, right? Why it's excellent. And to me, this is the best way. Instead of asking a whole bunch of questions, it gives you a chart, right? Then it tells you about Qatar. It's the premium experience, Etihad. So it goes down and it tells you everything. And it'll give you a summary of the top picks, even the nearby airports and the alternate departure points if you want. So that's how this first prompt, how we use it.
Right. All right, so a second prompt. Prompt number 2. Best times to book.
Yeah,
It's a hard one because you never know when the best time to book. Everybody's saying Tuesday or Wednesday or Saturday night, so you never know.
I know. I used to go into work at 2 a.m. sometimes, and I would wait Wednesday morning at 3 o'clock to start booking flights because I just thought in my head, like, that's the best time when they said Wednesday. So everybody have their little quirks or things that they do, but you want to know when is the best time, and it changes. But the good thing about ChatGPT, it can scan the internet and kind of look for, patterns for you, right? So you type in, when is the best time to book a cheap flight from the US to Thailand in 2026, right? Historical trends and price data by month. Typical time windows when flights drop. I give an example, 3 to 6 months out. Tips on booking around major holidays in both the US and Thailand. Which days of the week are cheapest to fly based on recent trends. Recommendations for setting price alerts on Expedia, Google Flights, and Skyscanner. Right? That is all the prompt. This one was a little shorter. You copy it in. You paste it into ChatGPT, let it do its thing. And then it spits out the best time to book, historical trends, and price data. Exactly what you asked, right? It'll give you the optimal booking window, right? Specifically booking 2 to 5 months ahead. What's the cheapest months to fly historically? September and October. It gave you that. The best time to book, month-to-month insights. It gives you an entire breakdown, booking around the major holidays, the cheapest days to fly, and how to set up price alerts. Also, additional tips. So it breaks it down for you. This is why we love this prompt, and this is one of our go-tos when we're booking flights.
So prompt number 3. Prompt number 3 is cheap destinations from my airport.
Yeah, so sometimes you want to book a trip, but you don't know where to go. You don't know what to do, or, where can I go? This is where this prompt comes in, as they say, clutch, right? Because you can just look for places out of your destination. Let's see what it gives us, right? So we'll ask ChatGPT, list the top 10 cheapest international destinations to fly to from Atlanta within the next 12 months, right? And for each destination, include typical lowest fares and airlines, best time of the year to visit for low prices, whether flights are nonstop or require layovers, popular low season travel windows, which is the shoulder season, right? Any recent deals or mistake fares, that's a big one, that have been reported, right? So you just copy that in, and there you go. It spits out, here are the top cheapest destination from Atlanta within the next 12 months. Montego Bay, Jamaica. We love some Jamaica, right? Yeah. $295 round trip. I mean, it's on Spirit, nonstop though.
I don't know about that.
The best travel time, October to November. The layovers, none. They give you the shoulder season, the recent deals, frequent Spirits promotions. San Juan, Puerto Rico, $335 round trip. Mexico City, San Jose, Mexico. And then you can specify to Asia, or, to South America. You can also do that. Number 6 is Colombia, Peru. So it's giving you a breakdown, what the round trip is, the airlines that's going there. And then you go over to Google and you verify these, right? And that's it. They give you the tips for booking, comparison tools. And we said before, we use Expedia and go and we just compare the prices and verify all the prices if there is, these actual flights or the the airline's breakdown, right? So that's how you do that. And the good thing about this is that you don't have to, you can pause and write this down, but you also don't. We have a free PDF you can download. So all you have to do is copy and paste this. Yes. You head over to docandbean.com. We will link it below, and you can go and download these prompts for free. So you don't even have to worry about any of this, right? And this is how we use it really to save, because we just had to book for my dad's 80th in November, and it was a bunch of it. It was 10 of us, and I used AI, because it was just easier to compare everything, especially to for our itinerary, right? To get everybody's likes and dislikes and all in one shot. This is what we use. And because it could be pretty challenging depending on,
It's just more work. It's more manual.
yes.
So it's more, and this is what we did before.
Right.
And we would do step by step by step by step.
Yeah.
And now you can get all of the steps condensed.
So let me just give you some tips for using AI, right? The good thing, or one of the things you need to keep in mind, AI is only as good as your prompts, right? So you got to be specific. That's why you see our prompts are long, but it's specific. So when it spits something out, it's exactly what we want. I don't have to keep prompting it for something else and something else. Always verify the booking sites, right? And AI doesn't replace tools like Expedia for booking or anything. It just gives you information so you can make a more informed choice. Right. So yeah, but as we said, we have it all out for you. Head over to Doc and Bean. If you're going to Thailand, Bangkok, Phuket, Vietnam, Da Nang, we have itineraries for all of that too. So check those out, So
personalized.
Yeah, personalized. Where we've been, things we've done, drivers we've used. But yeah, so we just thought we'd share some of our information, what we use to book now. AI is kind of taking over, so we've transitioned into using it, how to benefit it for us, So yeah, and it's working, honestly. So we'll be sharing more AI plans with you, or AI prompts. If that's something you're interested in, let us know in the comments. If you use AI or you have prompts that you want to share with us and our viewers, let us know as well. Drop it in the comments. But yeah, make sure you share this video, like, subscribe, and see you on the next one. Peace.